Alright everybody, today is September 25th, 2020, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. So as you can tell, I'm in the grain cart with the 7930 right now, and we are headed out to the field. I just got here, it's about 4 p.m. or so. Grandpa called me this morning, said that the beans were ready to go, so after my class, I hurried on down here, and now we're ready to go. So I'm bringing him a cart. I'm going to bring the 7800 over too with the Demco cart. And he says he has a truckload almost ready, so I'm going to take that into the elevator after that. So without further ado, let's get going. As you can see, there's the truck sitting there. Grandpa's just getting started right over there. Grain cart number 2, let's get her done. Okay, so we haven't ran any grain in this cart yet, so he just put about a half a dump on me, so I'm gonna dump this on the truck there, and we'll just to make sure everything's okay. All right, let's go get it. Well, I'd say that pretty much qualifies for a load. As you can see, the pods are still kind of green here, but the bean itself is more than dry. That one's a little wet. Some of these are in the valley yet, so they got a little bit of moisture in them, but most of these are pretty dry. I think Grandpa said the elevators, the last load came in at 11.4, so hopefully everything else is going to stay dry enough, and if it does, we'll keep going. And I think we should get maybe one more load in after this one, because the grain elevator closes at 7, and right now it's about 5 o'clock, so we'll see what happens. Okay, let's head out of Dodge. Okay, I just got my ticket and the moisture read 11.9, so we're gonna keep going. It's still plenty dry, so I think we're gonna have a good night of combining here. I think we can get one more load into the elevator, and then we'll probably fill everything up and call it a night. So I'll try to get back there and get the truck filled. Okay, so I just got back, and now I'm gonna go dump the 7930. Make sure this one's running okay. So Yeah, I got a little bit, I think I have about 3/4 of a load on there, so we'll dump that on the truck and see how much we can get. And then I'm imagining that Grandpa is going to come back and top me off, so then I can head back to the elevator hopefully before they close. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I got about a combine dump on here right now, I think. It's about 6:45, so we're not gonna make it back to the elevator, but we're gonna fill the truck and then I'm gonna take that home, and then we're gonna be up on those shorter rows up there eventually. So I think what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna fill the carts if we can, and then maybe fill the combine, and then in the morning we'll just haul everything in and keep going for Saturday and see how much we can get done before the elevator closes. So that's the current plan, so let's keep going. Okay, so I filled the truck, so I'm gonna take this home and I'm gonna run home and grab my drone, and I'll come right back out here because the sun's about to set, so hopefully I can still get some drone footage before it goes down. Okay, we're sitting here waiting for Grandpa to get the end rows done up here. I've got about half a load on the grain cart. Once I pull over there and get him dumped, I'm gonna run back and I'll pull this grain cart up, and then I'll run back and get the 7930, so then we'll have both grain carts up here for the night. So far everything's going pretty good. We haven't ran into any issues yet, knock on wood, but yeah, it's been going pretty good. I think we have this field about a little less than 3/4 done, because we're on to the shorter rows now, so there won't be, it'll be pretty quick tomorrow if we can get going in the morning, because we got to unload both carts and the truck. So we'll see how tomorrow goes, but yeah, not too bad of a day to be starting harvest. Okay, day one of Harvest 2020 is in the books. I'd say it went pretty well. We got about 3/4 of that field done there in the end. We filled the truck. That's full, ready for tomorrow morning. One of the grain carts is completely full, and another one is partially full because the stems kind of got tough there. So we decided to just combine one extra truckload instead of two. So that should fill it off, and then we'll have 2 loads to take in tomorrow morning. From there, we'll probably finish that field at some point, and then I think we're going to move over to our west field, which we thought we were going to start at, but we decided to do it second because our other soybean field is still needs a little bit of time, I think. So we'll just see how that goes. But yeah, it should be a pretty productive day tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of Harvest 2020. I know I definitely have. Sunday when the elevator's closed, it'll give me time to put this video together, or if I'm really itching to do it, I will get it put together before then. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow.